We're at the Leroy Merlin warehouse. It's a 72,000 square meter automated warehouse which is located in the Paris area. The warehouse opened in 2019 and underwent automation in March 2021. We've been working with Stihl since 2007. They equip our warehouses through the framework contract we have with them. This contract is for all of our warehouses up and down the country. The contract covers stocking, and now it also applies to the AGVs. Back in 2007, we equipped a 12,000 square meter area with wire-guided and automated VNA trucks. We were happy with everything, both the stocking and the system. So sticking with the same technology seemed to be the obvious choice. Our AGVs are very safe. They all have a number of sensors, and they operate in areas that are largely separated from each other. With this level of safety and the efficient movement, we find that overall our trucks don't cause us any issues. In fact, you can see a live demonstration. This machine has just come up behind me and it is waiting patiently. I don't have to watch out for it as I'm not in any danger. With all the sensors on the truck, it knows where any obstacles are. It knows I'm here and it'll pause there until I move out of the way before restarting. Our high-lift pallet trucks, the EXVs, use a lithium-ion battery. When they need to charge or when they're not being used, they'll automatically park and recharge. The automated VNA trucks have lead batteries, but when the shift or the day ends, they automatically head off straight to the recharging room. They charge until 05:30 the next day, then they resume their work positions, ready for another day. Throughout our partnership with Stihl, we've had the full service maintenance. It's very important for us to have this. If a truck's not moving, that means a job's not being done. We need work to be done at all times. The speed of Stihl's response and the range of parts they have available mean that our machines seldom stop. This means that we can relax and we can focus on our job. We know that we can count on Stihl to take care of all the support. It's a recipe for smooth operations. We're all judged on results, and we have certain expectations to meet. That's why we're looking into how we can roll AGVs out across our sites in France. Overall, it's been a huge success for us. It was exactly what we needed, so it makes sense to use it elsewhere. What really matters most to us, above all else, is the results. And our results are certainly positive.